Hello everyone. We have constantly seen kids nagging about certain veggies and leaving their meals half done. So to solve this problem, I'm going to be showing you some unique and healthy recipes that kids can enjoy without compromising on taste. Hence, in this pleasant weather, I was thinking of making a simple crispy toast but with an interesting twist. I have a bowl here with chits with different vegetable names in it, and whichever vegetable I pick, I'm going to be making a recipe around it along with Nutrela Soya Granules. So let's see what I get. Green peas it is. Let's begin with the recipe of Soya Green Peas Toast topped with green peas combined with protein-packed soya. Of course, Nutrela soya. This definitely is going to be a unique recipe. Boil 3/4 cup of granules in boiling water for around 10 minutes. I'm using my favorite pantry ingredient and it's full with protein. 10 minutes are up. Let's drain out the water. Give it a rinse. Squeeze out all the excess water. You can see these granules rehydrate very quickly and are super soft because they're chemical free. And the next step, I'm going to grind around 3/4 cup of boiled green peas into a coarse mixture. All the prep is done and now let's start cooking. For that, I'm going to heat up 1.5 tablespoons of Nutrela Sunflower Oil. I'm using this oil because it's fortified in vitamins. Turn on the flame, add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds, add in 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onions till they're nice and soft. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Saute this for a few seconds. Add in 1 tomato finely chopped. Cook the tomatoes till they are soft. Next, add in the coarsely ground green peas and cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. Let this mixture dry out slightly. Add in the Nutrela Soya Granules. Mix this well. Time to add in the seasoning ingredients. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon of Coriander-Cumin seed powder, salt to taste. I have recently discovered the Patanjali range of spices which are extremely aromatic and flavorful and have gained a permanent spot in my kitchen. Squeeze some lemon juice. Give this a good mix. Turn off the flame. Add in some coriander leaves. Next, I'm going to add in kids' favorite ingredient, that is cheese. Make sure you add in the cheese after you've turned off the flame. The topping is ready and now time to assemble the dish. In a pan, I'm going to heat up a little bit of butter. Once the butter starts to melt, let's place the bread and start toasting it. Crisp up the breads on low heat. Apply a little bit of green chutney over the bread. Not too much because you don't want the toast to go soggy. Let's place the mixture. Some more cheese. Place a few cherry tomato wedges. I'm going to garnish it with some less spicy green chilies. Cover and let this cook till the cheese melts. The toasts are done. Let's get them out. Drizzle some ketchup. Our soya green peas toast is ready. I'm sure your kids are not only going to enjoy it, but finish the plate. See you next time with another veggie from my bowl and a Nutrilicious meal with Nutrela soya. For a Nutrilicious way of life, do check out the Insta handle mynutrela. Subscribe to Rajshri Food, comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.